So everybody shows flashlights at night. I wanted to show you, even at evening, how bright this is. Look how you can easily see, even though it's still clear out. Like, you can see up in the trees up there. You want to see something cool? This is the UV light. Look at this. Is that not cool? Is that not cool or what? Switch it over. Switch it over to the other light. And it's cool because you can just turn this and it switches. So you can see, turn this, it switches. Right to the UV. Again, this is super cool. Super bright. Wow. This looks awesome. Wow, I don't think the video is going to do it justice. The color combination is fire. Just fire. I love that. They did such an amazing job with this. Like, well done. By the way, to activate this, you just simply connect it to charge. Once it touches and charges, it'll activate. You'll know it's done charging when this turns green. So you can see it's red for charging. You can easily place this on your belt loop. This is sleek. Let's test this out. So first we're testing out the black light feature, and oh my goodness, look at this. You can see we got a lot of vacuuming to do. Oh my word, look at the imperfections on the wood. Look at that. So look at this wooden door. Look how it looks. It looks so washed out. Look at this. This is that same door. Wow. So you can see how the UV light highlights. So there's tons of modes with these. So you can press it once, you can double press. You can press and hold. That gives very dim light. 3 presses, you got rapid flash. This mode, you have more of a focal point. So if we switch it over to this one, it's more wide. If we switch it over to this one, you got more of a focal point, kind of like a direct line. While this, you have a wide range. I mean, this is impressive. It's pretty impressive how you can easily see. Somewhere it's darker. If we switch to the wide, you can see the difference, take it away. And the UV. But it's very impressive. Very, very, very impressive. Look at that. You can even see the dust particles. Crazy.